Essential steps to success to actually reach your dreams. Part 1. 1. Don't make it a matter of motivation. Wait, isn't accomplishing important goals all about personal motivation? How will you succeed if you're not motivated in the long run? Here's the problem with motivation. It's subject to whims and feelings. If the only thing motivating you is an internal desire to achieve results, you won't achieve results when desire is not there. Then, there will be times when your desire is strong, but you're caught up in some other task. Pt.1 Tank, founder of Jotform, recommends relying on systems instead of intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation is self-motivation to take action, and Tank points out that there are probably moments when you don't want to take action. Instead of merely relying on desire, set up a system and follow it, no matter how you feel. Here's a quick synopsis of how Tank runs his system. Identify 2 or 3 things you want to focus on. These things should all have something to do with your primary goal in life. Establish a time each day for productive focus. Say no to any activity that doesn't fit into your focus areas. Give yourself a certain amount of flexibility. If you have absolutely no motivation to sit down and start writing, read a book to help inform your writing, or spend time cataloging your surroundings. For many of us, the hard part is saying no to those inevitable and attractive distractions. Tank recommends concentrating on what you love about your dream. Why are you doing this to begin with? Practice concentrating on what makes your goals great. Now go have your best day.